Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to cancel subscriptions on Android. Firstly, on your Android device, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Now just tap the menu icon, which is the three lines next to the search bar. When you see the subscription option, just tap on it. Now, you need to find your subscription app, like ChatGPT, Tinder, or etc. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on Cancel Subscription you want to do, then follow the on-screen steps to confirm your cancellation. You can always come back and continue where you left off. Just note that some apps cannot manage subscription made through Google Play. All changes must be made via your Google account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.